What is that old thing? That old machine. Looks like 1930s.
Yeah, it's old fangled.
Right.
It's gonna grind the chicken later.
Oh, for my spaghetti.
Because we waste nothing.
Is that from your Lola?
Yes.
Ay, ginoo ko guys. May mga, actually meron kami ditong sa garage namin guys. There's a lot of, may mga radio pa nga. Alam mo yung 19 kupong-kupong na mga radio? Ayan oh.
Sure it was clean.
Oo. Tapos, what else dear? Aside from the radio, aside from that, meat grinder, there's another one a lot. Coffee maker, electric fan. Gumana siya guys. 19, ano pa yan dear do? Ganun siya mag-alaga ng mga gamit. Hindi basta-basta. Alam mo, pag ibenta mo yan sa mga pawn shop, bililhon ka, ayaw na siya. Ako,
You can't go inside.
ano to? What do you mean do not use go outside? You want me to go outside? When do you want me to use the bathroom?
Maybe next week.
But it's coming out!
Oh no! I'm gonna go get the hose.
You wanna do it now, dear, the chicken?
Yeah, why do you put cream in your spaghetti?
Yeah, we put cream on spaghetti. Kasi it's Filipino style spaghetti. Oo, ayan. So guys, ito na po yung makaluma natin na machine na meat grinder. Lumabas na nga pala kami kanina ni Jan para maghanap ng ground chicken. Kasi wala kaming nakita. Inaalala ni Jan, may mga leftover pa siya na chicken sa ref. Eh, meron namang meat grinder. Gumawa naman siya.
Fishing it.
Guys, katatapos lang ni Jan na gawa ng chicken yung ginamit ko ngayon, guys. Masarap din naman yung chicken. Well, usually pork, di ba? Ginagamit or either pork or beef. Pero this time, spaghetti natin is different. Galing kay Panlasang Pinoy po itong ingredients na kukunin natin. Ayan, so pinrent ko na guys para kay Jan. Hand soap pala. Ayan, nakuha namin ito sa dumpster. So, ginagamit namin ito para sa banyo.
Where'd you get that recipe?
From online, whatever, disputable. Or
Dispute? I'm disputing it.
what's the English man? Reputable. Reputable. What did I say? Disputable.
Yeah.
Reputable institution.
How do
Yeah.
you know it's reputable? You're gonna put luncheon meat in here? What kind of luncheon meat? Why would you do that when you already have hot dog?
Just use the one we have. Don't really follow.
Then why'd you choose that recipe? If
Just
you're not
use
gonna
whatever-
follow, even if I had, I wouldn't throw it in there. Seems
Weird.
disputable. I'm having chicken tenders. I don't want sweet spaghetti. Don't like it. I wouldn't do this if I didn't love you. I'm only doing it because I love you. We can only have this once a year.
And today is once a year.
Today's once a year. Don't tell your friends you're making spaghetti for them.
Ayaw kasi yan ni Jan guys. Ayaw niya talaga ng sweet spaghetti. Well, ginagalang ko naman si Jan. Kasi syempre, sa kultura nila, hindi naman talaga, they're not used to eating sweet spaghetti. Pero, yung mga Italian, mga ganyan, yan yung mga spaghetti nila. Ako natutuwa ako na kahit na ayaw ni Jan, kagaya ng durian cake, ayaw na ayaw ni Jan. Pero eventually, nagustuhan ni Jan ha, yung durian cake. Diba dear? Eventually, you like the durian cake. May kulang pa nga dun kasi nakamali, alam mo, galit na galit si Jan sa akin.
Yeah, straight durian's not nice.
Oh, ayaw niya ng straight durian. Alam niyo guys, hindi pa ako naikwento sa inyo pero sasabihin ko na ito. I will tell them the truth here ha. Before, Jan was making durian cake. That's why we had to order another one because we need to remake it. Jan was very upset because of the one ingredient lacking. Because during the time that you were mixing the ingredients, you forgot to put the, what do you call that here? Baking soda. Powder. Baking powder. Kalimutan yung ilagay yung baking.
That's a
2
lot.
teaspoon of baking powder ang nakalimutan ni Jan. Kaya nga parang naging pie yung cake, di ba? We thought that it wouldn't taste better because of course that's what ingredients lacking. Pero nung tinry na namin siya ni Jan, nilagyan namin ng ice cream, it didn't go waste because sobrang sarap pa rin niya. As in, masarap pa rin siya. Para siya naging pie tuloy. Instead of cake, para siya naging pie. Even cheese. Ayaw ni Jan ito eh. Gusto ko yung cheesy talaga guys eh. You know? It's a lot already.
It says beef broth, but
Chicken broth.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Hot dog.
Hot diggity dog diggity.
What about the spaghetti you're making?
I'm not gonna do that. This is my salad, and I'm gonna make chicken tenders.
Oh no, I'm gonna eat alone?
No, you won't eat alone. You'll just have different menu, like going to the restaurant.
Oh no. Ewan ko ba guys, bakit nagluto siya? Parang hindi siya kumain.
There's the ketchup.
Bakit?
I don't have my sugar pill for the spaghetti.
Guys, gutom na ako. Okay na po yung sauce. Tapos maglalagay si Jan ng oil. Back to the... That's good. That's okay. Because I want to try it first. That looks amazing. You like that? Ayan, so toppings natin. Cheese. Kain ka rin, dear. Wala nga naman hindi ko kakain. Eh. Kakain na si Jan. Uy, nahiya lang pala siya kanina.
Of course I'm gonna try it. I'm the one who cooked it.
Of course, dear.
This
You
way I can
should.
find it out and make it better next time. Just kidding.
Just kidding.
I know this is Filipino style.
You put ano? Cheese?
Definitely not my favorite pasta.
Pasta. Mhm. Tilapia. It looks like parang karinderya, pero ito talaga ang masarap eh. Parang karinderya style. Ayan, unang subo ni Jan, unang kagat, be. Hello! Dig-dig. Happy naman ako guys no na nagustuhan ni Jan ang ating sweet and style spaghetti. Pero alam mo, totoo nga naman yung sabi ni Jan na parang ito yung nabibili natin sa mga karinderya. Ganito talaga yung spaghetti. At ganito yung gusto ko na pagka-spaghetti. Yung parang nabibili sa karinderya na tag 15 pesos, 20 pesos. Yan. Pero masarap. 'Di ba? Kasi yun yung nakasanayan natin eh. Yung mga Amerikano kasi hindi sila sanay sa matamis na spaghetti. Alam, masarap. Masarap siya guys, as in. Nasarapan ako. Si Jan, mauubos na nga niya. Feeling ko magdadagdag pa siya. As in. Darling, you're the best.
You're welcome.
This is the spaghetti I miss.
I'm sorry you missed it.
Oops! What are you doing with my rice bag?
It's garbage.
No!
What do you mean no?
This is like eco bag. When you go to the grocery, you have to bring this, no?
Are you serious?
$6 for 3 pieces is like 300 pesos or 350. 350 pesos. Tapos i-partner ko ito siya sa aking spaghetti. So spaghetti lang ang binili namin guys. At saka may sauce na doon sa bahay. Gumawa na kasi si Jan ang sauce. And then may chicken na. So hindi ko na kailangan bumiyahe ng kasi ilang oras papunta sa Jollibee, 1 hour papunta sa Jollibee. So hindi ko na kailangan pang bumiyahe para makatikim ng chicken with spaghetti, sweet spaghetti. So kasi ito na, gagawa na lang kami sa bahay. Tingnan namin galing sa grocery. Ito yung mga nabili natin. I think nakita niyo na ito. Lemon. So, di ba? Nagamit. Hindi ko talaga tinapon, guys. No? Kasi gamit na gamit itong eco bag natin. Kaya bumili na lang ako nito. Itong fried chicken. Kasi perfect ito, guys. Mahal mo. Almost $6. Spaghetti kasi may bisita tayong darating. Buti na lang nagpagawa na ako kay Jan ng sauce. Pinoy style sauce spaghetti. Para sa mga bisita natin. Ayan guys, so dinner time. Chicken. Kunin ko lang yung spaghetti natin sa ref. Gumawa na kasi si Jan ng sauce. Kanina, ito rin yung kinain ko. Dinner, ito rin yung kakainin ko. Kasi why not, diba? Para hindi na magluluto si Jan. Usually kasi 2 beses nagluluto si Jan. One for him and one for me. So sa kanya, magbo-broccoli siya tonight. And then steak, since hindi ako pwede sa steak, itong leftover spaghetti na lang ang kakainin ko.
You put a little bit of water in it too.
In fairness, hindi siya tumigas sa ref, ha? Luto lang si Jan ng broccoli.
Broccoli for dinner.
I don't eat vegetables.
Oh, you do now.
O, di ba? Hindi na natin pa kailangan dumayo, magbiyahe ng halos 2 oras para makakain ng sa Jollibee. Kasi ito na guys, Jollibee homemade.
Good morning guys. Andun na si Jan sa labas, Manguha tayo ng buko ngayon. Yan, for today's video, mangunguha tayo ngayon ng buko. Ibibigay natin sa ating kababayan. May pupunta kasi dito ngayon na kababayan natin. Medyo delikado lang itong gagawin natin guys ha, kasi napakatayog kasi ng puno na ito, as you can see. Kaya titignan natin kung kaya ba ni Jan yan kunin, kasi malalaki yan guys, maganda yan pang bukayo Kasi gagawa daw siya ng pandikoko, yung kaibigan ko taga Melbourne. Talagang babiyahe pa siya dito, 2 hours siyang babiyahe. And tignan natin kung kaya bang kunin ni Jan yan gamit ang... Aakyat ako dito at titignan natin ngayon kung kaya ko ba siya from here. That one. Ayan. So nakuha ko na po yung sa dito na puno guys. And titignan ko siya. Mag-open ako ngayon ng isa. And check natin kung okay ba yung laman niya. They look young.
That's good or bad?
Bad.
Just water.
Ayan guys, so nandito pa rin tayo ngayon sa ating bakuran at mangunguha pa rin tayo guys ng buko. Ganito pa rin siya ang itsura niya. Tamis. So sweet. Oh, this one's very heavy.
What are you doing?
I can't carry this, very heavy.
It's very light.
Exactly.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
it should be in the hamper, right?
it's very heavy now. Yeah.
Hello dear.
Hello.
Lunch for the visitor.
Lunch for the visitor.
So lemon, thyme,
Garlic.
and garlic. So we already have the spaghetti sauce here. The spaghetti. So spaghetti with chicken.
Time for lunch. Remember to wash your hands.
Ayan na. Nare-remind na po kami ni Google. Marinated.
I ain't got time.
Don't complain, you're a vlogger.
Nakakatawa guys kasi minsan inuulit ni Jan ang ginagawa niya. Kasi minsan may mga ginagawa siya na hindi ko pa na-video. Kaya sabi ko, naku ulitin mo yan. At huwag kang magreklamo dahil vlogger ka. Kailangan ma-document natin ang mga ginagawa mo.
What are you eating?
Ensaymada with yema.
Ah, that's not good for you. You need to eat healthy food, not that stuff. Huh? That doesn't change anything.
Celery, carrots, cucumber. Ensaymada.
Yeah, I think you ruined your ensalada.
It's healthy now.
Okay, if you say so. Johannes, I thought you were having spaghetti for lunch. Why are you reheating rice? You have...
And rice.
What?
Spaghetti and rice.
Oh, that's not normal. Are you trying to get diabetes?
Final touch.
To get the nice flavor from the grill on them. Make the neighbors jealous.
Taas ang kamay. Wow, sana all. Day, ang dami ng pinagdaan.
Pumunta pa yan sa iba.
Oo. Ang daming pinagdaanan there, oh. Etong bisita namin ngayon guys ay magaling ito maggawa ng tinapay. Sabi niya gagawa daw siya ng pandekoko. Wala daw siyang buko. Isakto, marami namang buko dito sa bahay. Hindi din naman namin to ginagamit. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya kapag makagawi ka dito, bigyan kita ng madami. Oh, ayan na guys. Wala gyud gialang-alang. Ayan, ang daming mga buko na binigay namin. Tignan niyo sila, oh.
Sus, pagdating ni Kibler,
Ba't di ko nang ito ipasa sa inyo, Jai?
mga hindi nag-iisip na.
Oo, talagang tatlo. Ba't di na lang isa yung kumuha?
Meron ba yun, Kib? Ako na nga kumuha.
Okay na ba yan, Jai?
Sobrang daming na yan. So,
Kip, saan ang buhos? Hindi man bagay sa'yo, Jai.
ito yata, mas okay to guys.
Oo.
Pero ano ko sa'yo, para marami tayong bukayo. Kasi gusto
No, she wants more, dear, but next time we will bring it to her. Hindi ko man tumaano, Jai. Maubos na.
that job. Right?
Dalhin mo na lang ito, Jai.
Just go there and then look at the damage. And then, because there's a system there, like you're just gonna keep,
Merienda.
you know. And what you have to do,
Oo,
because
paborito mo
I
yan. Ito ube halaya? Ha?
So you just have to study
Kutsinta.
online, and then I think you're gonna go somewhere to take the exam because
Ah, oo,
you're
na-miss ko
predicted
tong
to that
kutsinta.
too. But it's not that
Ilang
bad.
years na ako hindi
So
nakakain.
what's the making here?
Ito
I
masarap
think
ito
they
sa
make
palaman.
100 plus
100 plus.
a year. Joe said if
Dinner with Blur and Jinky E.
you're serving dinner for us,
Ano pa naman to? Chef pa naman to si ano? Chef Jinky. She always cook.
Oy, come back to the house when my husband is there. So you can cook.
Oo, pag nandun si Joday.
That's
Thank
what
you,
I'm gonna
Jinky, sa pandekoko.
Sure, I think so. Ano ha? So
Sure.
I have a coconut factory already.
Oo, yes.
Thank you for
We're,
getting it.
we're really not using it.
That's a lot of
Actually.
work.
Yun lang.
But
Excuse me, what kind of pizza you making?
A healthier pizza.
Oh, no, 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 no. What kind of tomato sauce you're using? Use my spaghetti sauce with hot dog and beef.
Not gonna be normal.
What is that? I told you I don't like mushroom. I don't like vegetables. Put cheese. What kind of cheese is that?
Mozzarella cheese.
No, I like the Eden cheese. Hey, you're not learning. Eden cheese.
What do you want? What else? How about I just put rice and pasta on here, huh? Huh? Yeah, okay. There, you happy now? Here, let me finish the cheese. All right? There's your pizza.
All right.
Here's your requested pizza. Enjoy.
Wow! Rice pizza. Rice to meet you. Pizza with rice and cheese and spaghetti sauce. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh, wow. Rice spaghetti. Pizza.
I can't believe you're gonna eat that thing.
Wow.
You ruined my pizza. I'm just gonna have salad.
Okay.
It can't be that good.
It's really good.
I don't know.
Try it.
You're telling me stories. You're pretending.
Should try it. Guys, ang sarap pala. Rice, spaghetti, on pizza. Ginamitan niya instead of tomato sauce, ang ating Pinoy style spaghetti sauce with pasta and rice. Oh, sarap. May hotdog pa, oh. Come on, have some. Oh, I thought you're gonna have salad only.
Dumpster diving!
Yay!
It's been a month since we do dumpster diving. Hopefully maka-jackpot tayo ngayon. Hala, ito tignan nyo. May dalawang TV na tinapon guys. Ayan po yung una nating nakita. Wow. Ayan na oh. Hala ka, may TV guys. Anong brand? Dalawa pa talaga.
LG,
LG and
Samsung.
wow, LG and Samsung TV ang nakuha ni John. The other one is, oo nga, 15 inches and 18 inches. No? Wow.
Good for a monitor.
Hala, may refrigerator na naman na tinapon. Oh. Parang brand new pa talaga siya, dear, no?
Yeah,
Ganito dito sa Amerika, guys. Pag magtapon sila, nilalagay.
this guy's gonna get it. Hurry.
Ah, he's gonna get it. Yeah, wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. It's free pa daw, dear. Oh. Oh.
Little dirty.
Oh, oh.
Works
Nice.
fine. Upgraded.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Ayan guys, sabi ni John, magmadali na daw kami kasi meron ding namamasura dito. Pero hindi naman namin kinuha yung ref, binigay na lang namin sa kanila at nagkwento sila guys na binibenta daw pala nila ito. O di ba? Parang mayroon ata silang parang surplus. O di ba guys? Ganito dito sa Amerika kapag mag-ikot-ikot ka lang at kapag masipag ka lang, magkakapera ka talaga guys. Kagaya ng ginagawa nila. Ayan oh, nakita nyo naman siguro ang isang truck. Punong-puno yan guys ng mga appliances at mga kung ano-ano pa na mga nakikita nila sa kalsada. O di ba? Perfect. Kung hindi ka lang mahiya guys, no? Talagang magkakapera ka talaga. Problema lang kasi sa amin ni John is maliit yung sasakyan namin. So kahit na makakuha kami guys sa mga appliances na malalaki sa kalsada, hindi ka talaga namin siya mabubuhat. Kaya binibigay na lang namin sa iba. Dumpster diver na hindi lamang po Pilipino kasi madalas sinasabi nila, a lot of people saying that, oh, you're ashamed, lalala, you're Filipino going to America dumpster diving. Hindi kasi nila alam, lahat po ng mga lahi, no, regardless of your ethnicity, you can be a dumpster diver. Even Americans, there's lots of dumpster divers here Kasi ang ginagawa kasi na yan nila guys, nire-recycle nila or nire-repair nila yung iba. Yung iba pinapakilo nila, kagaya sa atin. Nangangalakal, nanguha ng bakal, ganito ganyan, pinapakilo nila. When
Did
this-
you
something-
record it?
Yeah, I recorded it.
Then we can listen, see what he said. For stuff like this,
You get more money, like 35 cents a pound for the stainless if it's real.
selling the
$2 a pound for the brass.
Okay, so that's the thing guys, it's not really trash. Somebody's trash is somebody's treasure, ika nga, di ba? So you can make money out of it by, you know, repairing it. If it's not repairable, you have to per pieces, per kilo mo, and then weigh it, and then you sell it to the junk shop, you know,
yes,
something
junkyard.
like that.
The junkyard recycles the metal.
Junkyard pala ang tawag sa kanila dito. So sila na minsan yung magre-repair, ganyan. So ako natutuwa ako na finally after so many years nakakita na tayo ng nakausap ba, kasi marami na ako nakikita na mga ganyan ng dumpster, pero ngayon mismo, no, nakakita na kami ni John ng totoo talaga na dumpster. Medyo maliit lang pala yung kita, no. Unless na lang kung jackpot talaga yung bago pa talaga, kasi minsan talaga mga bago pa yung mga tinatapon nila dito eh. Like lilipat sila ng ibang state, hindi na kasi nila dadalhin yan eh, kasi kung dadalhin pa nila yan, masyado nang mabigat at masyado nang ma-hassle sa kanila, masyado nang magastos. So kaya ang iniisip na lang nila, iiwan na lang o itatapon na lang, ipamigay na lang.